Hello, little learners, come and see. There's a world of wonder by the pond with me. If you've got a question, shout it loud. Why? Why? Be curious and proud.
Are you ready to explore a brand new why today?
Puddle! Puddle! Come quick!
I'm here, Pip. What did you find?
My ice pop is getting all drippy and sticky. Why do things melt?
That's a wonderful why, Pip. Why do things melt?
Little learners, what do you think? Why do things melt? Take a guess. Let's explore.
My ice lolly was hard and cold before, but now it's soft and drippy.
Yes, that means it's changing.
So, melting means something changes from hard to runny?
That's right, Pip.
When some solids get warmer, they can change into liquids. That change is called melting.
Melting!
Little learners, can you name something you've seen melt?
But why do things melt?
Because of heat.
Heat?
Yes, when something gets warmer, heat gives it energy.
Heat helps tiny parts inside things move faster.
Oh. Tiny parts?
Yes, tiny, tiny pieces called particles.
When a solid gets warm enough, its particles wiggle more and more.
Until they can move around more freely.
And then it melts.
Why does my ice pop drip away? It was hard at the start of the day. Now the sun shines warm and bright, and it's changing right before my sight. Things can melt when they get warm. Heat can help them change their form from a solid, stiff and neat to a liquid in the heat. Drip, drip, what can it be? Science happening right by me. Warm it up and you might see. Melting is a change indeed. Wiggle, wiggle, little dots. Move around.
Now they're not!
Stuck so tight like before.
Melt, melt, drip some more!
In a solid particle stay, packed in close and tucked away. But when heat gives energy, they move more fast and more freely. Things can melt when they get warm. Heat can help them change their form from a solid, stiff and neat to a liquid in the heat. Drip, drip, what can it be? Science happening right by me.
Warm it up and you might see.
Melting is a change indeed. Ask a why and you will know how warm sunshine helps things flow. Look and learn and you will see. Science is for you and me. Things can melt when they get warm. Heat can help them change their form from a solid to liquid sweet. That is melting with the heat. Drip, drip, now we see what melting means so happily. Ask a why and sing with glee. Science is discovery.
Let's test a simple idea.
Ooh, a melting experiment.
Here are 2 ice cubes. One stays in the warm sunshine, and one stays in the cool shade.
Which one will melt faster?
Little learners, what do you think?
The sunny one gets more heat, so it melts faster.
That makes sense. So when ice melts, it disappears?
Not exactly.
Oh?
It changes from a solid into liquid water.
It's still there, just in a different form.
So melting is a change, not magic vanishing.
Exactly.
Do all things melt at the same speed?
Nope.
Why not?
Different things need different amounts of heat to melt.
That means some things melt quickly,
and some need much more warmth.
So chocolate might melt faster than some other things?
That's right.
Like ice cream on a hot day.
Or butter on warm toast.
Or an ice cube turning into water.
Melting is everywhere.
Whenever warmth changes some solids into liquids.
I think I know now. Things melt when heat warms them up.
Yes. And when particles move more and more, the solid can turn into a liquid.
So little learners, why do things melt?
Because heat helps some solids change into liquids. I love asking why.
And I love exploring with you.
Curiosity makes us clever.
Curiosity makes us clever.
You see science everywhere when you look closely. Hello again, little learners. What will you ask why about tomorrow?
We asked why we